My name is Sanjana Reddy from 4th class library. Today tell us about homophones. Homophones mean if each of two or more words having same pronunciation but different meanings. Example, allowed. Allowed. Smoking is not allowed here. The pain made him cry aloud. Alter. The group left the bride standing at the altar. I can't alter the plan. Aunt worked hard all summer. Aunt, my aunt lives in Andhra Pradesh. 8. I ate 3 hot dogs. I, I work 8 hours a day. Ball. Tom caught the ball with one hand.